Hi everyone, I can see finally people have started joining in. I'm so sorry. It seems to be a last minute issue. My internet went at .5. So I was live and the internet just went. So the Wi-Fi connection broke. So anyways, I hope I'm audible now and people are able to hear me properly. I'm so sorry guys for the delay, and so sorry we were about to go live at 4, but there was a certain delay, so we kind of had to go live at 5. Now without further wait, I'll add Anamika into the live, and then in case you have any queries etc, we can definitely take that up. Anamika, I've sent you invite, Anamika. Hopefully you should be able to see. Now, for those of you who are joining us for the first time, we normally do this weekend lives where we do projects in live using a lot of Craft Angles product. So sometimes we do decoupage, sometimes we do watercolors, sometimes we do mixed media, so journaling, so on and so forth. Today we'll be doing decoupage with Anamika. We also try and do Raisin and Artcast, which hopefully we are trying to plan for the next Anamika's life. Hello, Anamika. You
Hi, Khyati.
I can see you.
Yeah, great. I can see as well as hear you today.
ओके ग्रेट। आज कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ, एक झटके में चल गया। वरना मुझे लगा अभी इसमें और 5-10 मिनट निकल जाएंगे हमारे।
No, was just keeping my fingers crossed. Okay, फिर से I was
Yeah.
just, my the heartbeat also increased. I think the moment you said I've sent you and I'm just waiting. No, nothing has come. Okay,
हाँ,
it has come
वो
now.
पता नहीं, वो पहली बार नहीं होता, फिर कैंसिल करो, फिर वापस भेजो, फिर वापस होता है। इट्स वियर्ड। हाय कंचन। सो आज हम क्या करेंगे?
We are going to do a simple decoupage.
ओके
And I'm going to show you how to cover up the entire surface of a plate, because lots of
ओके,
time people ask you how do you how can
कर्व
you
है।
use these tissues slash paper on a curvier surface. This is not a flat
करेक्ट।
thing.
या इट्स अ
Yeah, so
कर्व।
I thought that I'll just try it out
या
today.
दैट वुड बी ग्रेट। इवन आई वुड लाइक टू नो।
Yeah, so basically this is a white ceramic plate, so I don't have to gesso it. But for beginners, if your plate is like transparent or it is colored, then make sure you first prime it with white gesso and then only start off. I could have gessoed it, but I don't need to because it is a perfect white in shade.
Right, right. Kavita, please take care. So Kavita's father just underwent a surgery today. So she had just
Oh,
pinged me. So please take care, and your father is in our prayers. We hope, he gets well soon.
yeah, gets. I'm sure he'll get well soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I have planned to
Sorry, I
use
had to
this
interrupt.
tissue.
So sorry
No,
about
no,
that.
no.
Please go ahead.
So I plan to use this particular tissue,
Okay.
and I would want to use these, because I'm very fond of these
The
parts.
writings and the greeneries side ka.
Yeah. Okay. So
Hmm. So before we actually cut up code number बता देते for people, क्योंकि
हाँ,
मुझे पता है वो
sure.
आएगा सवाल।
It is
हाँ,
vintage flowers too.
okay, okay. So guys, these are our newly launched decoupage napkins. It is called Vintage Flowers 2. I'll actually try and show you. मेरा इतना आज भागम भाग हो गया ना कि मैंने setup भी नहीं किया, which I normally do. So just give me a second. I will share a sample with you all.
Should I start, Khyati, in the meantime?
Yeah. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. So yeah, before I get into all those details, normally I do a small intro जहाँ पे मैं बोलती हूँ, but आज actually मैं late हो गई, तो मैंने time waste नहीं किया, वरना हमारा live काफी late तक हो जाएगा. So normally हम लोग we try and do lives every week. इस week हम 2 live करने वाला है actually. आज हमारा अनामिका के साथ डेकोपाज है और कल हमारा स्नेहा के साथ होने वाला है। सो नॉर्मली हम ये लाइव्स में व्हाट वी ट्राई एंड डू इज के हम कुछ बनाते हैं हैंडमेड इन द लाइव इटसेल्फ, ताकि आपको पता चले कि इन केस पीपल नॉर्मली हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कि आपने ये क्यों किया या आप ये क्यों कर रहे हो या ये बता सकते हो कैसे किया एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. सो द आइडिया ऑफ होल ऑफ these lives rather than doing a pre-recorded video is that you can ask us the question, and that is why we also do two people live. So I normally constantly always look at the chat. So अगर आपको कोई queries हो, please feel free to put down your questions below. And between me and Anamika today, we'll try to answer most of your questions as always. So Anamika is using our decoupage napkin. So this is our latest launch. I think एक महीना हो गया हमें ये launch करके, एक डेढ़ महीना हो गया in fact. And you can see how thin these are. So the thinness of these is equivalent to your one ply napkin. But the best part is you don't have to like peel the layers of napkins, do anything. You can directly use them like how you use your rice papers, etc. So these have thinness of a napkin, but the application is very similar to your rice paper, collage paper, etc. For those of you who are into, using rice paper, collage paper. So Anamika is using the design as she said. It is called Vintage Flowers 2, another one of our popular design. And we are going to do that decoupage on a curved ceramic plate. Again, plates is something which we get a lot of like reverse decoupage pe plate karo, front pe karo and all that. So we had taken up a lot of tutorials with reverse decoupage with Anamika. आज हम front पे करने वाले हैं. So Anamika, please go
Yeah.
ahead.
So in the first place, what I have done is थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लेके I have just
Hmm.
trimmed the paper. Okay. And now basically
Okay.
I'm going to put decoupage glue in the middle first because the middle
Okay.
till here it is flat and then it starts
Flat.
curving. Okay.
Curving. Correct. Hi,
This is the
Ashwini.
decoupage glue.
Okay. So another query that I have for you, Anamika, is that that's
Huh.
actually my query because what me, Paro, and Sneha, all three of us do. By the way, hi Sneha, I saw your hello, but I kind of missed it between my intro. So हम लोग actually काफी glue और पानी mix करके use करते हैं. That's how we try to do it. So आप actually कैसे करते हो? Like, do you mix it with water or do you directly use it? Like, how do you do it? I think Anamika is having some internet issues. I hope it's not me.
I can hear you.
Okay, okay. I think you dropped and you came back. So were you able to hear my question?
हाँ हाँ, I could hear it. So what I was telling is it all depends on what type of paper you're using. I never use any water with the glue. So amount of
Okay,
glue will vary according to the paper. So the thinner the paper, the less amount of glue you're going to use. That is what I do. But I
okay,
don't usually use water unless the glue has really thickened up over a long period of time.
okay. So
Yeah.
हम ये नैपकिन के हिसाब से ही बात कर रहे थे कि ये जो अपने नए
Yeah.
लॉन्च है नैपकिन के उसमें आप
Yeah.
डायरेक्टली
So for
यूज
the
करते हो बट
napkin, the
यू यूज
best
लाइक अ
part is
वेरी थिन
since
लेयर.
the napkin is like thick, it is not as thin as our tissues.
राइट.
You can use not a very generous amount, but make sure that your base is covered with the glue. Okay.
ओके.
So it is
सो
not
लाइक अ
in
थिन लेयर.
excess, but yeah, but a layer. Okay. Not in excess and not very dry also, so that half the time your tissue is or the
या.
paper is not stuck. ऐसा भी नहीं है.
राइट, राइट,
Okay. So you can find,
राइट.
देखो यहाँ पे पूरा creaseless. There is no crease at all. Now, when you come
या.
to the curved part, if you do it right like this, so what will happen? You will find creases. So what I do is, जहां तक हमने glue लगाया है, that is still here. I make थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसे cuts.
ओके, ओके. Yeah, this is tricky. And guys, as always, in case you have any queries, please feel free to, comment down below. Now, this is just a reminder. This is what we did with decoupage napkins in our last live. So this live we did on YouTube. This was just my live where I made this using napkins. So we did like a lot of vintage techniques with chalk paint, etc. We have just posted a reel for this on our Instagram. So in case you are interested, please, comment there for the link and we'll share the tutorial because it's not on our Instagram. And for those of you who follow us on, and we will share the tutorial. Okay. So you can definitely ask us for tutorial. Probably. Yeah, it's right now it may seem ulta, but it's proper. It's just because of the so yeah,
Uh, Kathy, I cannot hear you. Hello? Hello?
hello.
Kathy, can you hear me? Yeah, can you hear me, Kathy? Okay. Okay, now I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you
Yeah.
now.
एक्चुअली मेरे को लग रहा है इंटरनेट ऊपर नीचे थोड़ा हो रहा है मेरा भी एक्चुअली क्या आज मैं फोन के इंटरनेट पे हूँ सो इट में थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है
No problem. So I'm just looking for a smaller piece of plastic.
ओके
Kathy, your voice is garbling. I mean, it's not clear. Can you just repeat once more?
या सो एम आई ऑडिबल
Yeah, matlab it is coming and going. I don't know whether it is my internet issue or I don't know.
लक है एग्जैक्ट 5 o'clock
So as you can see, each and every part which I had, cut into, like I had given cuts, each and part is now to be stuck. Amount of decoupage glue. Khyati, am I audible? I cannot hear
या
anything from your end.
you are audible
Yeah,
I
yeah,
tried
now I can
speaking
hear you
multiple
again.
times ओके आई
Yeah.
डोंट नो आई थिंक द लाइक बेसिकली यहाँ पे थोड़ा इंटरनेट आता जाता रहता है इट्स अ बिट नेटवर्क इशू नॉर्मली आई एम ऑलवेज ऑन वाईफाई एंड टुडे वाईफाई ने दगा दे दिया
Hmm.
ओके नाउ आई थिंक द like it's better in terms of I can see it properly also and I'm audible
Okay.
right
Yeah, you are audible now.
okay
Clear.
सो बेसिकली आप वो कट्स को इंडिविजुअली लगा रहे हो, और
Yes.
जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा होगा वो एक के ऊपर एक ओवरलैप होके इट काइंड ऑफ लुक्स
ओवरलैप
सीमलेस.
यूजुअली नहीं होगा, ऊपर से तो होता नहीं है यूजुअली, क्योंकि इसका
ओके.
कर्व बहुत स्मूथ है. द मोर
ओके.
द कर्व इज, द मोर कर्वियर इट इज, यू विल फाइंड ओवरलैप होना है, जैसे बॉटल्स में बहुत होता है.
राइट. राइट.
लेकिन फिर भी
राइट.
हल्का सा से अराउंड अ मिलीमीटर ओवरलैपिंग हो रहा है.
या हल्का सा, करेक्ट करेक्ट.
बट वो पता नहीं चलता है उतना.
सो द ट्रिक इज कि आप ऐसे छोटे छोटे पार्ट में उसको कट करके देन यू स्टिक, सो वो काफी
यस.
सीमलेस लगता है rather than wrinkles.
यस.
Yeah. हाँ मतलब कविता, नॉर्मली एप्लीकेशन के लिए तो आई प्रिफर फ्लैट ब्रश ओनली, बी इट चॉक पेंट, वार्निश और ग्लू. आई फील इट्स easier. It covers a lot of surface area. ओके, सो नाउ आप ये एक्सेस रिमूव कर रहे हो यूजिंग अ वेट ब्रश.
यस. एंड इफ यू कैन सी, यहाँ पे मेरे वाइट स्पेसेस है, सो आई हैव टू ब्लेंड
ब्लेंड.
दोज पार्ट्स. ओके.
ओके.
आप इसको वेट ब्रश से भी कर सकते हो, और यू कैन सिंपली सैंड इट. मैं अभी तो वेट ब्रश से ही करूंगी, बिकॉज इट इज वेट. द पेपर itself is full of glue, so if I try
या
to sand it, so it might
वो
chip off.
फाड़ देगा. या.
It is so
But the
humid
design
and
has come
sultry
out
out
very
here.
prettily, yeah. The design
Huh?
has come
Sorry?
out very pretty.
Yeah,
The design has
yeah.
come out very
Yeah, yeah,
pretty.
yeah.
Yeah, sorry, so you were saying something? The
Yeah, the
climate
weather
over
is so,
there.
yeah, it is like, I'm constantly sweating so badly.
और आपका तो मुझे लग रहा है पंखा भी चल रहा है, क्योंकि
हाँ,
पेपर स्टार्टिंग में उड़ रहा था
हाँ.
तो मेरे को
या
लगा
या
हाँ.
या या पंखे के बिना तो डिफिकल्ट है. आई मीन यू वोंट बी एबल टू ब्रीथ ओनली, एंड होल टाइम द एसी इज ऑन.
Yeah,
But unfortunately, I don't have an AC in this room, so at times it becomes so pathetic, no?
yeah, I'm sure. यहाँ पे भी गर्म ही है, but hopefully in a couple of days we'll see rainy season coming soon. So it will get better. बोला तो है 15 तारीख तक आ जाएगी बारिश. So let's see.
See.
Lovely it has come out. I love the मतलब bold एकदम.
Yeah. अभी ना क्या करना है, इसके ऊपर एक कोट, एंड सी इट इज क्रीजलेस.
हम्म.
एक भी क्रीज नहीं आया. नाउ द
Correct.
ओनली थिंग इज यहाँ पे ग्रीन कलर, यहाँ पे थोड़ा थोड़ा जो डिस्क्रिपेंसीज है, विच इज लाइक
Right.
मे बी इट इज नॉट दैट विजिबल, बट थोड़ा सा
Yeah.
यहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा ये हमने अभी वी हैव टू कवर दिस अप.
Right.
So I'll have to wait a little, or maybe I'll use the heat gun so that ये थोड़ा सा सूख जाए. Otherwise
Right.
it will just chip off.
Right. हाँ कविता, एक्चुअली थोड़ा बारिश हुआ बट वो मॉर्निंग में हो रहा है फील, एंड उसके बाद इट बिकम सो हॉट. तो वो और बट टुडे आई फील इट वाज बेटर देन यस्टरडे क्लाइमेट वाइज, अगर हम बात करें, क्योंकि मॉर्निंग में आई नॉर्मली गो फॉर वॉक, तो सुबह कल बहुत गर्म था, आज ठंडा हो गया था कंपैरेटिवली.
So we have hints of green Here also hints of green and brown and pink. So I'm going to get my chalk paints accordingly.
Okay. Hi, Sneha. I saw you earlier, but I think we had like a lot of network issues today. So I forgot to say hello. Yeah, yeah, Kavita. But I feel ठीक है मतलब इतना मजा नहीं है मतलब बारिश अभी आई एम वेटिंग फॉर लाइक अ गुड शावर मतलब ऐसा 2 5 10 मिनट इज नॉट फन यार बॉम्बे में हाय क्वीन ऑफ क्राफ्टर्स हाँ वो इंटरनेट इश्यू आज मेरा इंटरनेट जगा दे गया स्नेहा मतलब एज आई लिटरली केम ऑनलाइन एट 5 लाइव एंड तभी मैं लाइव हुई और वाईफाई वेंट सो आई हैड टू डिस्कनेक्ट एंड देन अगेन कनेक्ट थ्रू माय फोन एंड कम ऑनलाइन सो या ऐसा कुछ एडवेंचर होना चाहिए ना हर लाइफ में वरना इट काइंड ऑफ गेट्स बोरिंग आई फील एवरी टाइम क्या बोलते हो अनामिका एवरी टाइम देयर
Yes,
शुड बी वन
yes,
एडवेंचर
something has to, panic mode should be there, na?
या बट थैंकफुली आई एम हैप्पी लाइक आई थॉट अभी बीच में किस तरफ से इंटरनेट चल रहा था कि शायद लाइव अटक जाएगा या पता नहीं क्या बट आई एम हैप्पी दैट यू नो नाउ इट इज एटलीस्ट वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली हाँ डस्ट तो चाहिए मतलब फुल ऑन मेरे को वही मतलब पहले आई यूज टू टेस्ट यू नो बिफोर कमिंग ऑनलाइन आई यूज टू टेस्ट once to see if you know the like the video is working properly, the internet is working properly, voice is working properly. I've stopped doing that क्योंकि मुझे पता है वो इशू तो होता ही है तो तुम ट्रायल में चल जाता है बाद में इशू होता है so like Anamika, could you tell the shade names for
Yeah,
people
yeah,
so that
sure,
you know
sure. So for the green, I have taken pine trees. For the
okay
yellow part, lemon drop. And then I have taken ivory lace. That is the pink.
okay
This is
yeah
chocolate syrup. Okay. So
okay
here I'm using hints of brown, pink and yellow.
okay
यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा and here I'm going to use a hint of, I mean not too much, but hint of green. Green is very bright, so I am mixing. यहाँ पे शायद दिख रहा है आपको थोड़ा सा. So I have mixed my pine tree along with the chocolate syrup.
that is why Rupali actually we do live on YouTube also. Because honestly, I also don't like this very small Instagram screens, but unfortunately, it feels like a lot of people want Instagram lives only. But let me see in future, I'll ask creators if they are more comfortable starting the live and then inviting us. I would not mind. So let's see. I will definitely ask the creators. You're most welcome.
Yeah, I think we are done.
But आप इतनी मेहनत करते हो पेंट कंबाइन करने के लिए टू बी आई विल बी ऑनेस्ट मतलब मेरे को तो इतना लेजी लगता है कि मैं इतने कलर्स निकाल के मिक्स करने का एफर्ट ही ना लूं टू काइंड ऑफ फिक्स दैट स्मॉल थिंग्स रादर आई प्रोबेबली टेक सम गोल्ड और ऐसे रैंडमली उन जगहों पे भी डाल दूंगी
उसके ऊपर
ताकि किसी
करूंगी
को
मैं
पता
फिर
ही
भी
ना
एज एन
चले
आर्टिस्ट मुझे वो खिचखिच करता
या
है देखने में.
राइट नहीं बट आई मीन आपने कर भी काफी फटाक से यू ब्लेंडेड द कलर्स आल्सो एज यू नो पीपल आर सेइंग इन द कमेंट्स बट मेरे को तो कलर्स भी टाइम लगता बट ब्यूटीफुल मतलब पता नहीं चल रहा
Okay, now little hint of, I mean, ठीक है, you can keep it like that, varnish, I mean, decoupage glue लगा के, varnish लगा के, your basic decoupage is done.
Simple,
But now,
simple decoupage is
yeah,
done.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. But now I'm going to just mix it up with, now we have all dark shades with yellow. So I'm going to give a contrast color onto this, maybe a
Okay.
dark shade of blue. Okay.
Hmm.
Because I have something in my mind. So I'm going to do stenciling first and then use my gilding flakes. Okay. So that I
Okay.
already have it
Okay.
in mind.
Okay.
So I'm going to use some hint of Prussian blue because I want the
Hmm.
darkest of all blue. Okay.
Okay. So for those of you who are wondering, this is called as vintage postcards, the name of the stencil. This is a craft angle stencil. So whatever product guys we are talking about, like the shade names of chalk paint, the decoupage napkin, etc. Just go on our website, which is there in our link in bio, which is www.hdmd.com, and you can search with these names and you will find the corresponding product. If not, you can always DM us that, I was trying to find this product, but I could not find it. Could you help us with link? And our support team will, help you out with the links.
Now curved surface में थोड़ा सा when you
Hmm.
are doing stenciling, you have to be very careful.
हाँ,
You have to keep the
फ्लैट
thing
रख के नहीं.
as flat as possible.
Right. And it's tricky also. आपको काफी दबा के रखना पड़ता है to make
Yeah.
sure it's flat. Yeah.
Yes. I just use
Thank you,
some
Shanu.
hard brush.
Hmm. Right. Lovely. अच्छा लग रहा है. I was just thinking कि blue कैसा लगेगा, but it is looking nice. I mean, I would
Yeah.
not have, should have been surprised with your color choices, but still I was thinking, यार blue बिल्कुल ही नहीं है, कैसा लगेगा, but it's looking nice. Absolutely, Kavita. अच्छा लग रहा है. Hmm. I also love these flourishes. मतलब मैं भी normally बहुत बार ये सिर्फ flourish का part use करती हूँ अपने project में.
Okay. So basically, I'm keeping it to one end. I'm not going to disturb this part. Okay.
Okay.
So likewise, I'm just planning.
Also, guys, just to repeat, because we get this question a lot, ki, like, whatever we do decoupage on top of it, of course, she's going to add coat of varnish to seal it and all that. But, I mean, I don't know. Anamika, I mean, you would also not prefer like serving this, again, my internet. Anamika, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, I can hear you, Khyati. Can
Okay,
you hear me?
okay. या पर एक्चुअली बीच बीच में आपका मतलब वीडियो ऑफ हो रहा था, so I was thinking मेरे वापस मेरा इंटरनेट इश्यू हो गया. So what I was asking is, we get this question a lot. I know at the point of repeating ourselves, but you would not prefer eating from these dishes, right? जहाँ पे हमने front में decoupage किया है, उस पे हम varnish लगाएंगे and all that.
हाँ.
Like, I would
What?
not consider this food safe personally, but what is
No,
your
no,
opinion?
no, no, no,
Right?
no, no,
Yeah,
no, no.
yeah,
Not for keeping,
yeah,
because obviously you won't be able to wash it and all. Another
yeah,
option is that some people, they say that you can put a coat of food grade resin, but
yeah,
matlab, it is an unwritten rule that none of the resin is food grade. It is a, matlab,
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
being very,
yeah.
very frank. Though
Yeah,
they
yeah,
claim
I'm
it to
also
be,
very frank on this. Yeah, yeah, I'm also very frank on it. कि लोग, there are a lot of people who say कि यार वो platters पे they put raisin and then they like serve it as a fancy food tray. But I don't prefer it. मतलब इस जमाने में why to take chance? So yeah, I mean, we get this question a lot also for varnishing. So whatever I put varnish on top of it. So if I'm doing it on the front of plate, like how we have done today, I'll not use it for food for sure. अगर आपको फूड पे यूज करना है तो आप रिवर्स डेकोपाज कीजिए ट्रांसपेरेंट प्लेट्स पे. दैट वेज यू कैन यूज इट, बट अगेन डेली वॉशिंग इट, कितना भी अच्छा वार्निश यूज कर लो, कितना भी अच्छा ग्लू यूज कर लो, ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वो मतलब these are all decorative items, so you cannot wash them daily. So if you want to make something like these, keep it as decorative. If you still want to use it, do reverse decoupage, and again, no daily washing. Like, wipe it with a wet cloth or anything. Like, we had a question on these that a lot of our customers had asked कि आप इसको धो सकते हो या नहीं. So these have stickers, but I had other ones which did not have stickers on those. So वो मैंने wash करके देखा था, and it is, you are okay to wash all these with hands. But again, not something that I would say कि रोज wash करो, whenever, like once a month, twice, like once in every 6 months ऐसा. So these are more decorative. Bottom line, you don't have to like, wash them daily. Hello,
so
Sarika.
next is
So
Fuel
just to
Magic.
clarify, for those of you who want to use it on food plates, etc., please go ahead, Anamika. So you're
Yeah,
using
Fuel
Foil
Magic.
Magic, the gilding glue.
This is
Yeah,
this is 142.
yeah.
Stencil number 142.
Circuit stencil. So
Yes.
name of this stencil is Circuit. Circuit stencil by Craft. So we are now doing some gilding using the Craft Angles gilding glue foil magic and some gold gilding flakes. For those of you who joined in late, we are doing decoupage today using one of our newly launched, which are these decoupage napkins. So, Creative Boss, she is doing decoupage using these kind of decoupage napkins. Of course, not the same design, but a different one. And she's doing it on a ceramic plate. So this is a decoupage on ceramic material that Anamika is doing. And then she did some stenciling, blending, all the good stuff, and now some gilding.
Okay.
Thank
So let's try
you,
the
Kavita.
plates.
Appreciate the feedback. I personally love these napkins. Thank you.
So this is the rose gold.
Okay. मेरा प्रॉब्लम है ना गिल्डिंग फ्लेक से एक ही होता है कि सब कुछ गंदा करता है. तो
मुझे
मतलब
तो
कंटेन
बहुत
करना
अच्छा लगता
मुश्किल हो
है.
जाता है. नहीं,
I love
मतलब
it.
2-3 दिन
I
तक
love.
बस हमको गौरव बोलते हैं तेरे मुंह में, तेरे बालों पे, हर जगह हो, तू गोल्ड गोल्ड हो गई है. साइटेलिन या गिल्डिंग फ्लेक्स किया ना, हाथों में, नाखूनों में, हर जगह घुस जाता है. Yeah, exactly, Kavita. मैं वही बोल रही थी. Kavita is also saying the same thing. You are using gilding flakes when the fan is on, so पूरा ऐसा, पूरे रूम
नहीं,
में
I have
gilding
turned
flakes
off
हो
the
जाएगा.
fan. I
अच्छा,
knew it is going to, yeah, I have turned off the fan.
अच्छा.
नहीं तो अब तक तो पूरा फैल जाता.
हाँ, actually. So now we are removing the excess using a like a
Yes.
fresh dry foam.
हल्के से, हाँ, हल्के हाथ से.
Hmm.
If you use your sponge or a soft brush, you can use any actually.
Hmm. Thank you, Sneha. So Sneha is saying it's very sundar. So Sneha, all set for tomorrow's live. Actually, hardly matlab any wrinkles, huh? Considering the surface was not flat, I like it.
So I basically wanted a very halka, feel of
Hmm.
the gilding flakes. I didn't want it to be very prominent. Okay. So now if you can
Okay.
see,
Yeah, देख सकते हैं. Very pretty. सा iridescent type लग रहा है.
yeah, and very barik, that is, I would say.
Hmm. Hmm.
तो यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा सा करेंगे.
ठीक है. स्नेहा बोल रही दिस इज सच अ satisfying process and giving me anxiety at the same time.
Right?
Why anxious but can't wait. स्नेहा मैं पिंग करती हूँ तुम्हें बाद में आफ्टर द लाइव. थैंक यू कविता. आई थिंक शी went to wash her hands considering पूरा glittery हो गया होगा.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So can you see the
हाँ,
effect
lovely.
now?
या
Yeah.
अच्छा
So
लग रहा
now
है.
that I'm like done with my project, I know I have done whatever I had planned for. Now it is
ओके.
the time for me to seal it with a coat of decoupage glue and then with a
ओके.
coat of varnish, or maybe two coats of varnish.
ओके. वो एक्चुअली वो गिल्डिंग बहुत सही लग रहा है. इन द सर्टेन लाइट्स वो दिख रहा है तो इनफैक्ट अच्छा लग रहा है वो कम है तो बिकॉज ऑफ द पतला स्टेंसिल
Yeah.
है ना. या मेरे
हाँ,
को ऐसा लग रहा है मैं ऑडिबल ही नहीं हूँ, मैं बोलते जा रही हूँ और लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है।
नहीं नहीं, आई कैन हियर यू.
ओके ओके, another
Since
question
the
I have for you
yeah,
post
yeah.
gilding, like do you use
Mm-hmm.
glue or like do you put a coat of glue and then put a coat of varnish, or do you directly like because do you want to seal those gilding flakes just to make sure कि वो लोग अपनी लोकेशन पे चिपके रहे and then put a coat of varnish? Yeah, मतलब what goes in your mind?
Uh, uh, ख्याति, आई डिडंट गेट योर क्वेश्चन. एक बार फिर से बताओगे
मतलब
प्लीज?
हमने नैपकिन को एक बार लगाया, मतलब काफी हद तक हमने पार्ट पार्ट में ही चिपकाया तो प्रॉपरली चिपक
हाँ,
गया, राइट? उसके बाद
हाँ,
हमने ब्लेंडिंग किया, स्टेंसिलिंग किया, उसके बाद हमने
हाँ, हाँ,
गिल्डिंग किया।
हाँ.
तो अब इसके बाद हम ग्लू लगा रहे हैं। तो मैं ये पूछ रही हूँ कि नॉर्मली आप गिल्डिंग जब करते हो, गिल्डिंग फ्लेक्स के साथ जो गिल्डिंग करते हैं हम, उसके बाद डू यू प्रेफर टू ऐड अ कोट ऑफ ग्लू और वुड यू डायरेक्टली लाइक स्किप अ कोट ऑफ
वार्निश.
ग्लू एंड डायरेक्टली
बेसिकली
पुट 2 layers?
नॉर्मल ग्लू के बाद, नॉर्मल गिल्डिंग फ्लेक्स के बाद डायरेक्टली वार्निश और अ कोट ऑफ रेजिन विल डू. बट
हम्म
हियर सिंस it demands a coat of glue because it is decoupage. So I could have actually put a coat of glue and then done all this tamjam and last में एक coat of
हम्म
varnish. Or
ओके
since
ओके
I had not thought of not using stamping, had it been, I would have thought that I will also do some stamping, then I would
राइट
have preferred doing
राइट
stamping and all the rest and then put the coat of
करेक्ट
glue.
करेक्ट got
But
it
yeah,
so
यहाँ पे
primarily you are
I didn't
adding
feel
glue.
that I need a coat of I need some stamping because already ये all these
Yeah,
motives are there, this written, so I don't think I will
right
be needing that stamping. So
right
अभी मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा.
so प्राइमरीली हम ग्लू कर रहे हैं सेकेंड टाइम बिकॉज हमने नैपकिन यूज किया है इसके लिए, मतलब ये थॉट प्रोसेस है, राइट?
Yes,
सिर्फ
yes.
गिल्डिंग कर
Now,
रहे होते
whenever you are
along with
doing
ट्रांसफर।
decoupage, you have to seal the napkin or the paper or the tissue, whatever you are using with glue. Now,
राइट
if you by chance use stamping procedure, I have incurred the problem that glue के डालने के बाद अगर stamping करती हूँ तो वो smudge हो जाता है कभी कभी. That I don't like.
ओ ओ
Yeah, मेरा हुआ है एक दो बार कि
अच्छा
smudge हो गया है.
अच्छा,
हाँ,
आप एक बार है ना ये ट्राई करो, वर्सफाइन ऑनिक्स ब्लैकिंग ट्राई करो, वो
ठीक है,
नहीं होता है। एक
ठीक
बार
है,
ट्राई
ठीक
करना,
है,
नहीं होता है वो। आई
ठीक
नो
है,
मैं बहुत ज्यादा
ठीक.
क्रेजी वो इंक पैड को लेके बहुत ज्यादा
नहीं
प्रमोट
नहीं, देयर
करती हूँ,
मस्ट बी
बट
सम रीजन ऑफ दिस,
या
ये
हाँ मैंने ये एक्चुअली इनफैक्ट मैंने ये जो मेरे लाइफ में यूज किया है ये आफ्टर ग्लूइंग ही किया है, एंड लाइक आफ्टर मल्टीपल लेयर्स ऑफ ग्लूइंग मैंने यहाँ पे सब जगह स्टैंपिंग किया था, तो ये स्मज नहीं होता है। तो एक बार ट्राई कीजिएगा, मतलब इट टेक्स मोर टाइम टू ड्राई बट यू विल फाइंड इट टू बी बेटर ऑन अक्रॉस मेनी लेयर्स।
ठीक.
So I missed out a couple
क्या?
of hi, hello Ashish. No worries, no worries. For those of you who joined in late, we will be saving down this live, both on our account and Anamika's account. So you could definitely, check it out later on from the start. But it's just that we enjoy people, coming from the start and doing some chit chat with us. So next time, अगर आप आ रहे हो, please start से आना. So now what are we doing on the corners? Which color are we
थोड़ा सा
using?
डिस्ट्रेस वाला लुक दे रहे हैं. यू नो
Right?
मी ना, आई फिनिश अब आई एंड अप गिविंग दैट.
I know, I know. So आप ये बैकग्राउंड में मतलब वो यू आर यूजिंग आई थिंक पाइन नीडल्स, वो जो डार्केस्ट ब्लू शेड है वो, डार्केस्ट
दिस इज
ब्लूइश ग्रीन।
a mix of that Prussian blue along with your chocolate syrup.
ओके ओके ओके, so more of a muddy blue kind of a color.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
cool.
Okay.
Hmm,
Yeah.
very pretty. हाँ वो एक्चुअली वैसा लग रहा था, बट आई थिंक वो मिक्स वैसे हुआ है इसके लिए लग रहा है वो, शायद प्रोबेबली बिकॉज ऑफ द लाइट ऑल्सो। वो थोड़ा अंडरलाइन भी ग्रीन है ना उसमें।
Yeah, I'll just show you.
या Yeah, you could probably mainly show the napkin also लोगों को देखने के लिए कि आप zero wrinkles पड़े हैं with this technique.
Yeah.
So there are hardly any wrinkles. Yeah, very pretty. I love वो हल्का हल्का stenciling.
Okay. So now what I'm
Yeah,
going to do is, though I would have preferred,
absolutely.
sitting back
Hmm.
for a couple of hours and then putting the varnish, then you can put the varnish after
Ah,
this,
that's
because I
fine. You
want
can
all the
put it
medium to
later on.
soak in into the,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
I think you can put it later on. Then you when you put it in reel,
Yes.
you'll understand कि आपने दो layer डाला है
Yeah.
rather than अभी करने के लिए. चलेगा, no worries. Absolutely. Just for beautiful, just for you, beautiful. This definitely gives it like more focus because of the corner stressing. From where can I get this decoupage paper? Navika Creation, DM us. We will share you the link of these decoupage napkins. But if you want to search it by yourself, these are called Craftangles decoupage napkins. You can find them on our website, which is www.hdmt.com. We just released it last to last month. We released 50 new designs in these. One of the design that Anamika is using is called Vintage Flowers. So you can either search on our website, which is our link in bio, or you can DM us and we will share you the link. कविता एब्सोल्युटली मतलब वो तो मुझे लगता है अनामिका के साथ गिवन है 1 घंटे में तो हो ही जाएगा उनका नहीं मतलब आपने स्टैंडर्ड सेट कर दिया ना अनामिका मैंने वो बनाया और लास्ट टाइम मैं टाइम देखना भूल गई व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग दिस लाइव ऑफ दिस होम स्वीट होम वाला सो बाय
Uh-huh.
द एंड ऑफ इट मैंने देखा मैंने बोला यार 2.25 घंटे हो गए एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड मेरे को इतने घंटे लग गए फिर आई वाज लाइक अच्छा ये बाकी की चीजें है ना मतलब वो कोट लगाना था वार्निश करना था वो सब मैंने बोला मैं बाद में करके आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी बट मुझे 2.25 घंटे लग गए थे वो लाइव में
Yes.
Yeah, so you used a gold pen to
Yes.
highlight the corners.
Yeah.
These is the Resin Wala gold pen. So
Yeah.
if you search on our website, yeah, deco markers. If you search on our website, gold pen, you should be able to find this product. This is also available on our website. We had quite a few people asking for it. So it is available as we also sell resin supplies. So you'll be able to find that. So beautiful plate, Anamika. Love
Thank you.
all the detailing,
Thank
especially the minute gilding flakes. बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है. The flourish is also looking very beautiful. Anamika does it very fast and very neatly. Superb work. Thank you, Navika Creation. Yes. मतलब वो मुझे लग रहा है अभी इतने सालों में कर करके ऐसे नींद में भी हम अनामिका को बोल देंगे अनामिका लाइव करना है लेकिन नींद में तो अनामिका वो भी कर देंगे नहीं बट सच्चाई है So we can see your face, Anamika, now.
you. Yeah. I hope I can flip the
Thank you,
camera today.
Sneha. Yeah, thank you, Sneha. Indeed. और मुझे, I mean, I really enjoy your projects. मतलब, starting with zero and making something within an hour, personalized home decor type. बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है. मैं होती तो मैं इसमें और कोट भी डालती. मेरा माइंड इसके बिना मतलब कोट के बिना कंप्लीट नहीं होता. It's looking very beautiful. Anamika is a
नहीं,
superstar.
आज नहीं फ्लिप हो रहा है.
Absolutely. नहीं
आज
हो रहा
आज
है?
फिर से मेरा फ्लिप नहीं हो रहा है.
Uh,
मैं दिख रहा है
थैंक
मुझे
यू
वो
कविता
फ्लिपिंग वाला, बट नीचे वो ऐड अ कमेंट का आ रहा है.
अच्छा पता नहीं यार ये क्यों होता है नेक्स्ट टाइम है ना मतलब मतलब रूपाली ऑल्सो मेंशन कि आप लाइव चालू करना मुझे ऐड करना तो होपफुली उल्टा होगा तो आई थिंक मे बी
ठीक
विल
है.
ट्राई दैट
ठीक है. ठीक है.
थैंक यू कविता कविता says Anamika is a superstar and
ओ
thank
माय
you
गॉड.
Kavita Art Avenue by Kavita. Thank you for joining in. I hope your father's health improves and everything gets well soon at your home. Please take care. And thank you guys. This was today's live. We did decoupage on a ceramic plate. We'll wait for Anamika to complete 2 coats of final coat of varnishes and then she'll share the reel with us. So you should be able to see in person finally कैसा लग रहा है project after adding varnish. But I feel वो और vibrant और colorful हो जाएगा जो normally होता है. The varnish she is going to use is Craft Angles gloss varnish because again, we get this question. I unfortunately don't have a bottle here, or I would have shown, but it's called Craft Angles varnish. It's glossy varnish. And thank you everyone for joining in, for your queries, and for making this live extremely fun. We'll see you tomorrow on Instagram with another live with Sneha. So, do watch out. We'll see you tomorrow at 4 p.m. And thank you, Anamika, for such a beautiful
Most
project.
welcome.
हम आपको अभी 2 हफ्ते बाद मिलेंगे नहीं सॉरी
Yes,
नेक्स्ट वीक मिलेंगे with a
right.
different medium this time.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Yes,
Absolutely, Kathy. Chalo.
great.
Bye, bye.
ठीक
Thanks for
है.
having
Thank
me.
you,
Bye.
Anamika, and take care of your health. Yeah,
Yeah,
bye.
yeah. Bye, bye.